Firstly, happy Independence Day to everybody, and I want to wish Sonal and Dr. Amit very very hearty congratulations, क्योंकि पहले तो जैसे आप देख रहे हैं अंदर इतनी खूबसूरती से बनाया है, और जब आप इस मुद्दे तक आते हो जो स्किन क्लिनिक इज़ अ लग्जूरियस आइटम, इट्स एन आइटम जो बहुत लोग अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं इस किस्म की ट्रीटमेंट। और लोकेशन तो देखिए जूम है, सब बॉलीवुड स्टार्स मॉडल्स आप देखिए करकर आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन किस्म का स्किन क्लिनिक लग रहा है मुझे। और जिस तरह के मैंने मेन्यू पढ़ा वहाँ पे, आई थिंक इट्स इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ वैनिटी, in the world of OTT platforms and theatres and television. I wish them extremely good luck, because I think it's going to do really well, and with the kind of care and attention to detail which adds the feather on the cap. I think ये बहुत ही successful venture होने वाली है, and I wish Sonal and I wish Dr. Amit all the best. I love the name. मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मैं पेरिस में कहीं घुसा पड़ा हूँ, लेकिन मैं 2 मिनट दूर हुई हूँ अपने घर से। तो मैं और क्या कह सकता हूँ यार, जितना ऐसे अच्छे स्टार्टअप्स हैं होते हैं जाएंगे यहाँ पे, उतना ही बेहतरीन होगा। कोविड के टाइम पे ये एक बहुत ही ब्रेव मूव है कि हम लोग एक बिज़नेस शुरू करने वाले हैं। तो आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। माई heartfelt feelings for you guys, and I wish this a big success. Thank you.
Madam, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Would you like to say something?
Pratap bhai.
Well, we have created this place to change the complete game of aesthetics. Dr. Amit is already in this line from a very long time. I'm new to this industry, and I have created this place with ultimate luxury and experience. We go to salons and spas and we see with beautiful interiors, and we like to relax, but you can do the same coming to a clinic. And I look forward for this venture to expand more further, and look forward to having more people on board with us.
क्योंकि राजी एक्टर हैं आप, तो अपनी स्किन को मेंटेन रखना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है। एंड क्या अपनी स्किन में यहाँ पे कुछ चेंजेस करवाना चाहेंगे आप यहाँ पर आकर?
भाई उस वक्त तो हमारे पास ऐसे किस्म के क्लिनिक्स नहीं थे, बट ऑफ कोर्स अभी तो ज़रूर आएंगे। लेकिन हम लोग के वक्त पे यही था कि वर्कआउट करो सबसे ज़्यादा, क्योंकि स्किन तभी अच्छा लगता है। लेकिन आजकल beauty has taken another entire paradigm shift. So many people make a livelihood of their beauty and of their skin and of advertising. So I think there's a lot of self-investment, and taking care of your skin, your hair, your body, your diet. These are investments to make this product that you're going to be selling, and you're going to be kind of promoting to the outside world. Very important. It's like a business. You invest in a business so that the business yields some profits. In the same way, you got to invest in yourself, in your skin, your hair, your diet, your body. And I think establishments like this make it a serious business. So मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये बहुत ही एक बेहतरीन एक ब्रांड बने, और दुनिया के हर कोने में ऐसे एक विलादी स्किन क्लिनिक होना चाहिए।
Sir, any simple tip that you can give, to the viewers कि आपकी healthy skin recipe?
It's a very touchy topic. I mean, healthy skin, each one has different genetics, to be honest with you, and it depends on you're vegetarian, non-vegetarian. But then there's so many variables in that. I can only tell you, make sure you sweat a little bit. It definitely refreshes the skin. Stay off the sugar. Sugar is something that creates heat, and heat comes out in different ways and different forms to people. Of course, alcohol, very important not to have too much of it, because it basically spoils the entire metabolism. Man, there's a barrage of variables to skin, but what's nice is that there's so many clueless people out there who want to become actors or models or want to present themselves in a certain way and just don't have the knowledge of it, and they are absolutely freshmen in this entire thing. So it's good to come to a place like this and then somebody tells you, hey, these are your problems. You know, it's not like you're going to a doctor's place. You know, and doctors always tells you the worst things, and before you can even make an ad, they make you feel like you're not even worth making an ad with. You know, so it's nice to be pampered. It's nice to let you know in a very there's a certain way of communication, you know, and things like skin and hair are very sensitive topics to people by and large. So if it's handled with care and handled with the right professionalism, like Dr. Amit and Sonal are doing, I think people will feel more comfortable in exposing their weaknesses and getting solutions for it. So I wish them the best on that behalf.
All right.
Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best, guys.